Amazing Grace is another person's passport Toy Story.
Amazing Grace is
Another person's passport Toy Story.
Yay! Amazing Grace is
Another person's passport Toy Story.
Yay!
Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest collection of fast food toys. Yeah, baby! Okay. And I'm here once again to tell you another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's fast food toy story. And so, our fast food toy story for today is a rare fast food toy, because I mean once in a blue moon that we get toys from this particular fast food restaurant and it is actually from Subway. Now here's a toy. This is from Subway. Take a look at the insignia at the bottom. This is actually from Subway United States, because I don't think here in the Philippines that there was even I don't think they ever released toys here in the Philippines yet, but I'm hoping and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that in the future the Subway franchises here in the Philippines will eventually give out toys just like this one. Okay, this was released in 2002 at the time when the Harry Potter Chamber of Secrets was released. So obviously this toy was inspired by one of the main characters, one of those formidable characters from the Harry Potter movie, the Chamber of Secrets. Can you guess the spider's name? Is okay. Okay, the spider is Aragog. Okay, look at him. It doesn't look so sinister since he's colored purple, but the red eyes are beady and they might be a little scary. Actually, when I was watching that, I was really petrified. It scared the Jesus out of me when I saw this immense spider, Aragog. And we learned that Aragog was actually raised by Hagrid. That is why he was sort of exempted from being eaten alive by this enormous spider and the rest of his family. And he bore a lot of those gigantic spiders also. But unfortunately, some of the friends of Hagrid are not exempted. That is why Harry Potter, Ron, and the rest of the gang had to scurry out once they learned about the chamber secrets, because Aragog sort of gave the go signal for his offspring to actually gobble up Harry Potter and his friends, as they're not exempted from being eaten by them. Okay, so this is great. This is actually called an acromantula. It's a tarantula, acromantula, who is capable of speech. Okay, so Aragog can actually speak, and we've seen that in the film Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. And he has a deep voice, which somehow complements his very scary countenance and scary appearance. Okay, now the toy. This toy is actually a wind-up toy. There's a wind-up toy at the bottom, and then once you're able to fully wind it up, you could see that the spider would move its legs. The parrot can actually move its legs. So that's it. This is Aragog, and who holds the secret of the Chamber of Secrets, and he simply told Harry Potter and the rest of the gang by telling them sort of a quizzical clue when he said that follow the spiders, and this will actually prove that Hagrid is actually innocent from the accusations that is being held up against him. Okay, so this toy from Subway, this Aragog toy, is just an amazing grace. So once again guys, let us try to be thankful for every amazing grace that comes into our lives, be they in the form of an Aragog toy from Harry Potter, The Chamber of Secrets, brought to us by Subway USA. Or let's also be thankful for all of these series of movies from Harry Potter. All of those by J.K. Rowling are just amazing, and especially if you had a chance to actually read the volumes of books of Harry Potter. It is an amazing grace. I mean, to be able to diligently, religiously read these books with all those seemingly voluminous wordings. It's pretty awesome. It means that you're really capable of actually reading tons of words and actually comprehending them. So it's a gift that you should be very grateful for. Or basically, let's be thankful for every amazing grace, be they small or big, be they seemingly insignificant or the truly thankful ones, but just about every amazing grace that make our lives a lot more happy and jolly. And thank you guys for always tuning in to First is Fast with Toy Story, and hope to see you again with our next one. So until then, bye bye and see you around. Here's Aragog.